In the fast-paced world of beauty and skincare, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the number of treatments and products that promise miraculous results. Yet, there are a few treatments that have risen above the crowd, not only for their innovative approaches but for their incredible, scientifically backed efficacy. One such treatment is Rejuren, a cutting-edge skincare solution that has taken the beauty world by storm. Known for its ability to repair and rejuvenate the skin at a cellular level, Rejuren has quickly gained popularity across the globe, especially in countries like South Korea, where it originated. But what exactly is Rejuren, and why is it becoming such a game changer in skincare? Let's take a closer look at this remarkable treatment and uncover how it could transform your skincare routine. What exactly is Rejuren? At its core, Rejuren is a skin rejuvenation treatment that harnesses the powerful regenerative properties of polydioxyribonucleotide, PDRN, an ingredient derived from the DNA of salmon. At first glance, using salmon DNA in skincare might seem unusual, but the science behind it is anything but. PDRN shares a striking similarity to human DNA, making it uniquely compatible with our skin cells. This compatibility allows the PDRN to deeply integrate with our cells, encouraging skin healing, regeneration, and repair from within. So, what makes PDRN so effective? To understand this, we need to delve a little deeper into its cellular mechanics. As we age, our skin undergoes a variety of changes, such as reduced collagen production, diminished elasticity, and slower skin regeneration. These changes lead to common signs of aging like wrinkles, sagging, and loss of radiance. PDRN, when injected into the skin, stimulates the production of collagen and other essential proteins, thereby accelerating the skin's natural healing processes. The result? Healthier, firmer, and more youthful skin that looks and feels revitalized. The many benefits of Rejuren, why it's worth the hype. Rejuren is rapidly becoming one of the most sought-after treatments in the skincare industry, and for good reason. The benefits of Rejuren are extensive, and it has proven to be an effective solution for a variety of skin concerns. Whether you're dealing with fine lines, wrinkles, acne scars, or simply looking to improve overall skin health, Rejuren has the ability to address a range of issues. Let's explore some of the standout benefits that make this treatment so revolutionary. Enhanced skin texture and smoothness. One of the first things you'll notice after undergoing Rejuren treatment is a noticeable improvement in your skin's texture. As we age, our skin can become rougher, with uneven patches, enlarged pores, and irregularities. Rejuren works by stimulating collagen production beneath the skin's surface, which helps smooth out these imperfections. The treatment effectively refines the skin's texture, making it softer and more even-toned. Over time, your skin will feel smoother to the touch and look more youthful. Reduction of fine lines and wrinkles. The most common reason people seek out treatments like Rejuren is to combat the signs of aging. As we age, the skin loses its ability to produce collagen, which leads to the formation of fine lines and wrinkles. Rejuren addresses this problem by reintroducing collagen production at the cellular level. By boosting the skin's natural collagen stores, Rejuren helps to firm and tighten the skin, significantly reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Whether it's crow's feet, laugh lines, or forehead wrinkles, Rejuren has been shown to smooth and soften these signs of aging. Improved skin elasticity and firmness. Elasticity is essential for youthful skin, and as we age, our skin naturally begins to lose its firmness and bounce. With Rejuren, however, your skin regains its elasticity and structure. The PDRN in the treatment works to strengthen the skin's foundation, making it firmer and more toned. This results in a more youthful, plump appearance. The increased elasticity also helps prevent sagging and gives your skin a more lifted, sculpted look. Brighter, more radiant complexion. One of the most exciting effects of Rejuren is its ability to restore a natural glow to your skin. As the skin regenerates and becomes healthier, you'll notice a brighter complexion. Rejuren promotes healthy circulation and revitalizes dull skin, giving it a luminous, dewy appearance. The treatment works deep within the skin layers, helping to bring out your skin's natural radiance, making it look healthier and more vibrant. If you're looking for a rejuvenated, youthful glow, Rejuren can help achieve that. Scar healing and skin regeneration. For those who struggle with acne scars, hyperpigmentation, or other forms of scarring, Rejuren offers hope. Its regenerative properties are particularly effective at fading scars and imperfections over time. The PDRN stimulates cellular repair and collagen production, which helps fade scars and even out the skin's texture. Whether it's old acne scars, surgical scars, or hyperpigmentation, Rejuren can significantly improve the appearance of your skin, making it smoother and more even. Deep hydration for soft, supple skin. One of the standout features of Rejuren is its ability to deeply hydrate the skin. While many other treatments focus on surface level effects, Rejuren works at the cellular level to provide deep hydration, keeping the skin plump and moisturized from within. This is especially beneficial for those with dry or dehydrated skin. By restoring moisture to the skin, Rejuren helps it appear fresh, soft, and glowing. Anti-inflammatory properties. In addition to rejuvenating the skin, Rejuren also helps soothe and calm irritated or sensitive skin. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce redness, puffiness, and irritation. This makes it an excellent option for those who suffer from conditions like rosacea or general skin sensitivity. Rejuren helps restore balance to your skin, calming inflammation and promoting healthier skin overall. How does Rejuren work? Rejuren is typically administered through injections or microneedling, depending on the specific needs and preferences of the individual. When injected into the skin, the PDRN directly stimulates the production of collagen and elastin. These proteins are essential for maintaining the skin structure and elasticity. As the treatment promotes cell turnover and regeneration, the skin becomes smoother, firmer, and healthier. Most individuals require several sessions to achieve optimal results, and the treatment is relatively quick with minimal downtime. Post-treatment care. How to ensure the best results following your Rejuren treatment. Proper post-care is essential to ensure that the skin heals properly and continues to benefit from the rejuvenating effects of PDRN. Here are some essential steps for post-treatment care. Avoid direct sunlight. After your treatment, it's crucial to protect your skin from direct sunlight. Use a broad-spectrum sunscreen to shield your skin from UV rays, which can interfere with the healing process and cause pigmentation issues. Use gentle skincare products. During the healing phase, stick to gentle, non-irritating skincare products to avoid inflammation or irritation. Stay hydrated. Keep the treated area moisturized to ensure your skin remains hydrated and supple. This will also help enhance the results of the treatment. The potential risks and side effects of Rejuren. While Rejuren is generally safe and well tolerated, like any cosmetic treatment, there are some potential risks and side effects. Mild redness, swelling, and bruising at the injection sites are common but temporary. These effects usually subside within a few days. It's important to consult with a qualified professional to ensure that Rejuren is the right treatment for your skin type and goals. Is Rejuren right for you? If you're seeking a treatment that can address multiple skin concerns, including fine lines, wrinkles, scars, and dullness, Rejuren could be the solution you've been searching for. Its ability to rejuvenate and repair the skin at a cellular level makes it a unique and effective treatment for those looking to improve their overall skin health and appearance. In conclusion, Rejuren is a revolutionary skincare treatment that offers a wide range of benefits, from reducing fine lines and wrinkles to improving skin texture, elasticity, and hydration. Its regenerative properties make it an excellent option for those who want to rejuvenate their skin and achieve a more youthful, radiant complexion. So, if you're ready to experience the magic of Rejuren, consult with a skincare professional today and take the first step toward healthier, more beautiful skin.